Gates open, they're up and racing. Surprise call, draws for your lead. Cuts away is running by the rail. Versua running in the inside. Is entry number 1, Loretta. King Bearheart replacement in between runners. Then moving up party outside is Starbucks Pansy. Panamera running third last. Tricky Charlie second last. And China's Gold is in behind them past the last 600. Cuts away in command by about a length and a half. Running in second on the outside. Surprise call. Bersua is sneaking in down on the inside as they turn to the final 450. Two runners are now fighting it out for the lead. Bersua running by the rail and on the outside is entry number 4. Cuts away, moving up race replacement and surprise call with the last 150 more to run. Bersua replacement cuts away is in between runners and leading the finish line. We have Bersua and finally Bersua replacement cuts away King Bearheart and Panamera for your Pentapecta. Then comes surprise call, Tricky Charlize, Loretta, Starbucks Pansy, and China's Gold.